This quick tip will show you how to upload a captioning file to an MP4 in your Canvas files. You cannot upload a plain text file. It must be an SRT or VTT file, either created by you using other tools or supplied by the staff captioner. To start, open your Canvas shell and navigate to the Files menu. Once there, you can click on the title of the video you want to add captions to. When it opens, click on the three-dot menu in the upper right and select Upload Captions. Choose the language of the video is spoken in, typically English. Then click on Choose File, navigate to the File menu, and find the captioning file you created or was supplied, and choose it. Click Upload, and you should see the message at the top of the screen saying the file was uploaded successfully. At this point, you can close out the file. The caption should now play with the video in Canvas. Thank you for watching this quick tip.